Why does Star Wars reuse so many sound effects? I guess I understand ships that are the same, or, lightsaber ignitions. But there's this one sound that I just keep hearing. This metallic clank sound was heard when Anakin hits some boxes after falling off Zam Wesell's speeder in Attack of the Clones. That's the sound. And you will not believe how many times that sound is used in Revenge of the Sith alone. Like, that's crazy. I bet that's more than you expected. It's more than I did. Other stuff has cropped up, like that bassy Darth Vader lightsaber ignition that we first heard in episode 3 when he kills the younglings. That sound was just a Sith ignition with more bass or some synth layer to it. Not quite sure how they made it, but it's also been used in the Darth Vader hallway scene. One of the best ignition sounds. It has been recycled as a swing sound in the Star Wars Galaxy of Adventures Kids version of the hallway scene.
You don't know the power of the dark side.
And General Krell's door opening.
General Krell, you're being relieved of duty.
Yeah, put that next to the ignition from Rogue One. See what I mean? Oh, how about this weird whining noise that happens in the carbonite freezing chamber and when Mace Windu goes off to kill Palpatine? Yeah, it's just random stuff. So why? Well, we don't really know, and this question bugs me every single day.